use a research tool from CUSABIO. Here is the CUSABIO website, and in the technical resource section here we have research tools. In this page you can find many different tools that can be helpful for your research. Today I will introduce this one, the calculator, GC content calculator for the nucleic acid sequence, and can be used to quickly calculate the percentage of guanine and cytosine in DNA or RNA sequence. So let me quickly show you one example. I have a sequence that I saved. Let me paste it here. So this is the DNA sequence, and after you calculate, click here, calculate the GC content. The calculation result will show up in 1 second, and we also have a detailed statistics about this calculation, like the total length of the DNA sequence and the count of the G and the C and the total GC bases. We also have another composition analysis about adenine and the thymine. And also in this page, you can find something that important about the GC content, like the biological significance and the applications of GC content and the reference range that among different species. So in summary, this GC content calculator is a very easy tool, and it can be used to calculate the percentage of GC in DNA or RNA sequence. So hopefully you enjoy it.